Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 8th of February intraday analysis. On this video, we will cover some charts and the news with you, and then we will just go ahead with our views on the market. All right. First of all, today is important day. Reason is balance of trade of US will be just released. Expected number is $83 billion deficit. It's the record level of the deficit because a lot of things is changing, and US is just losing ground on productive country to just importing country. So we will see how it will just go ahead like this, and also it will change the monetary policy because the balance trade of balance, they will need more US dollar to cover this deficit. That's also another scenario. So this will just create another demand issue in US. Fed may see this event as a problem. We will just check all these news together in the afternoon video. All right, let's start with our S&P chart. The first one will be S&P 500 chart. As you can see here, S&P chart, it's just trading at the level of support. If this level 4,484 is the price right now, and we can just say 480 is the critical support level. Under that one, we may see another sell-off, or with the US open, if the trade the data, if the balance of trade the data comes positive, we may see a rebound from here because it has tested high level already. On that one, this may be a correction, and on this accumulation, this correction may end up and then a rebound is possible. So please just watch that one. If that just breaks on fast, you can just open a sell position. If it just rebounds on buy position, you can just open your buy position in here, and then you can just expect to go up. That's the trading idea of S&P chart. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is wheat. As you can see here, this commodity is just losing prices, losing value, because we are getting closer to springtime in many countries, and in springtime there will be a lot of production, and winter yield, winter harvest will just affect the price, and then stocks will be wheat stocks in country will go up. That's why we see this one. But also another risk is still going on. High fertilizer prices. This is affecting the price of all the agricultural commodities. High energy prices just caused high fertilizer prices, and high fertilizer prices will just affect the cost, and eventually the price of agricultural food will go up. That's the thing. So if energy prices goes like this, no more radical decline is not possible. A sharp decline is not possible. We just see just volatility like this in the market. Right now it is testing. As you can see here, it has tested 750, and then from that area just rebounded. And this may go on, and then if you just see the confirmation, it may go up, and you can test 771. So a buy option right now seems good, and you can make some money by buying wheat on these levels and expect go higher a bit. But as I said, we are getting closer to spring, so don't expect to all the time highs in an extraordinary weather event doesn't happen. If that happens, then you should definitely consider that one as flash flood, or some wheat producing countries like Russia just get into war with Ukraine. It also affects the price of wheat because one of the biggest exporter of wheat is Russia. There may be some sanction on that one as well. We will just see coming days together. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is silver. As you can see here on the recent trading hours, we see some decline in silver prices. So why the reason? Like it has just went up from 22.15 level to $23 level. So the reason is yesterday France President Emmanuel Macron and Vladimir Putin has just met. At the same time, we have seen Biden and Scholz, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, meeting. Both of them just made at the same time, even press conference. Just 1 hour difference between each other, something like that. So people just expected something hawkish, something really discomforting from these leaders. It was mixed. In Russia, he said no intention to get in war. But if that happens, if NATO accepts Ukraine as a member of that one, they will just go ahead and they will just accept that one all European war, something like that. So it's not so easy decisions. And Macron said, all right, like we just made a really progressive talking with Mr. Vladimir Putin, and we have told him no need to worry about this Ukraine story. And on Biden's side, he has threatened Russia again about Nord Stream pipeline to Germany, because as you know, like a Russia to Germany pipeline. So they said sanctions will be over that one and it won't be operational. Germany was neutral until yesterday, still seems neutral, but for the first time, really in a bold lines, they just declared we are with Europe and NATO, so we will just do what it needs to be done. They said like this. So this is just keeping the silver prices on high level. If we just see a relaxation in easing in these tensions, we will definitely see these silver prices go down, and with a sell option you can just or if the tension between countries goes up, what happens? Let me show you what happens. This is what happens. It started almost the same level and then it has reached to $24.70, and it just declined with some good intention speeches. Now it is also doing that one, similar to this one. So the fate of silver is definitely about political tension. If it just relax, we will see decline. If it just get intense, we will see going up, and you just trade accordingly and watch political news closely. Thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news in afternoon news. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.